Kia debuts EV9 SUV in North America alongside news it will be assembled in the U.S.
Maybe you can get this one.
That's pretty cool.
So the Rivian.
Kia can do it because I see those too. Those seem legit. Like, what if I try to get? I had a nice tower, man. What if I try to get the one that I like, the little
Ioniq?
buggy? Yeah, the little buggy there.
Ioniq 5?
Well, yeah, if I try to buy that,
dude, that's it's very popular, but I think my buddy tried to order it. It's like a 2-year wait list.
No, it's not a 2-year wait list.
That's what I heard.
For Ioniq 5? I'm seeing it out there. Is it a 2-year?
At least a 1 year.
Which one was he trying to get? Like, was it a special trim or something?
Nope.
Is that why?
Just regular.
Really? I thought the Ioniq 5, you could get it.
Yeah, you see them on the road.
Ioniq 5 delivery delay. Let's find out. Oh, yeah, you're right. Here's a Reddit post. I live in... Wow, this guy's in Finland.
Okay.
So that might be 18-month delay in Canada. Here you go. Yeah. Anywhere between 18 months. Wow, you're right, Will. Damn, people like that one, too.
They're on the road, though.
No, I know. It's a year to get that one. So, now, what if I did a quick auto trader on that? Man, people really want these EVs. I think it's actually happening right now, this transition, because... And also, I understand global supply chain.
Yeah.
Things are slowing down with that, but like a lot of these are difficult to get your hands on, which could imply that there's quite a bit of demand for it. You can find them on Auto Trader marked up.
Okay.
2023 Ioniqs as high as like 60 grand. Geez, here's one for 70 grand. Just arrived. Anyway, they're around between 50 and 60 grand. I presume that's like the higher trim level. And 2 pages worth for the 100-kilometer distance range. So, anyway, it's not as rare as like a Rivian or something.
Yeah, I've never seen a Rivian up in Canada here.
Yeah, that's extremely rare, but it appears like nobody's safe from, like, it is still about deliveries, not demand. It is still a supply issue, not a demand issue. For Hyundai, for Rivian, for whoever
That's
you
why
name.
I feel for these like manufacturers who have to hype up their vehicles that are going to be built like 3 years down the line. They have to do this kind of stuff, you know, in order to kind of just generate buzz and be like, yeah, we're still here.
You're talking about like what they had to do with the Ram.
With the Ram, yeah.
So what's good about this one? This is a bigger SUV. This is probably a 3-row.
Yeah, it is.
The EV9 3-row SUV first teased November 2021. They debut in the U.S. as the second all-electric model on their 800-volt eGMP platform, joining the EV6 crossover. Do we have any better images of this one? Oh, here we go. Yeah. So you got this like, ooh, you know what? Kind of cool. I prefer the one on like the one on the left there.
Okay.
I don't know if it's a different trim or whatever, but or maybe I just like the rear more. It's kind of
the wheels
angular.
Are kind of cool, eh?
Yeah. Futuristic. It doesn't exactly fit the Ioniq criteria, not that it's supposed to, but yeah, more options. Cool. And it'll be assembled in the U.S., so people might like that. I don't know.
Yeah. Shout out Alexander and Zoom. It's our pleasure. They're just trying to keep busy. The super chats.
Oh. Yeah. What's Will talking about over here? This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.